I want to first start out with a big shout out to Yousunlong for sending over what we're about to unbox today. Starting with a cutting board and some really serious chef knives to test out on our channel. So I'm very excited about this, and let's get started. I have a knife here. Let's do the cutting board first. This is some serious packaging. Did that work? Oh, I got that one. Whew. Dun 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 dun. Check this out. Cook with peace of mind. That's me. Look how they package this. Like, this is pretty awesome. Oh, wow, she's heavy. Okay, let's get this out of the way for now. Woo! Okay. Wow, this is nice. Wow, check this out. This has got an insane 3D design on it. And, you know, in the zigzag pattern, and it's like a blend of, I think it's maple and oak and walnut. I think it's 3 different woods in here, all blended together. Not only is this gonna be one of my favorites in the kitchen, it looks pretty amazing. And, my gosh, look how thick this is. And this is beautiful. This is built to handle some serious work. But here's where this thing gets really smart. It's got 2 working sides. So this one here is the flat side, which is totally great for rolling dough, for pie crust, any kind of baking. Oh my gosh. And let's flip the board. And over here, you've got, look at this, check that out. The deep groove here. So if you're cutting like meat or brisket or anything juicy, it's not running all over the counter. And it's got built-in handles on the side, so it makes it a little easier to MacGyver when you're handling something this big. This is actually kind of like Christmas. How exciting. Let's get to the knives. So, let's try. Oh, this is actually opening pretty easy. I don't really know what that says, but I'm sure it's something good. Oh, wow, this is pretty nifty. Okay. Wow, that's really something. That's a leather sheath. That's pretty sturdy. Okay, let's open this up. Let's be super careful. Oh, let's just cut that plastic right off. Holy. Check this out. I love how it feels. I think this one is for, you know, when you're doing the slide, you know. This one here, this is the 9-inch hybrid. I guess it's a cleaver. This is definitely not your average kitchen knife. This baby, well, I guess you can't really call it a baby, but this baby is made for breaking down meat, ribs, poultry, even fish. And, you know, the curved part actually makes it really easy to get in and around the joints and the bones. That's impressive. Okay, let's go to the next knife and clean up some of my mess here. And I think this is probably for cleaning, I'm guessing. Okay. Oh, okay, 2 in here. So let's open this one. Wow, so exciting. Okay, we'll stack that over there. And again, another sheath for it. Can you see the design on here? The design in the steel, like this is really, really cool. Now, this one here, this knife is actually built for power and precision. This is the 8-inch carver. So this one's about finesse, another favorite F word. But this knife is for carving roasts, like slicing meat, evenly slicing, even slicing really thin on fish. This will likely be my go-to. Maybe a little more refined than maybe this baby, but don't let this knife fool you. It's still got bite. Another impressive. Whew. Okay, let's stack this over here. This is so cool. Okay, drum roll, please. Now this is a serious piece of steel. This one is the 10-inch scimitar. This is perfect for like briskets, roasts, anything that you want nice, long, clean slices with in one smooth stroke. It feels actually really nice in my hand. It feels solid, a slight curve in the handle, which actually is really nice, but this one doesn't mess around. This one's here to finish the job. What I really like about all 3 of these knives is that they all come with the leather sheath, and they're solid, and it not only protects the knife, but it's really a safety feature. Okay, let's review this setup. This one is the hybrid cleaver for power, okay? This one is the carving knife for precision. And this one is the scimitar to bring it all home. And we can't forget this huge 18 by 24, I'm pretty sure that's the size of this cutting board. And I'm really excited to put these to the test. You know, the links are in the description if you want to check out what we're trying out here. And honestly, folks, this looks like a solid lineup. Function, durability, and style. I mean, it's stylish. Anyways, we've got the board, we've got the blades. Now it's time to put them to work. Stay saucy. Cheers. Okay, I think I'm gonna let's try cutting an onion. Which one do we want to try? I think I'm going to try this one. Oh my gosh, it's like slicing through butter. That's really amazing. Oh wow. Oh yeah, just so nice and thin. It just slices right through. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. That is so nice. You know, I will say one thing, as you can see, This is kind of moving a bit because it is a two-sided board, so it doesn't have feet. So I know that a lot of, you know, restaurants or chefs that have two-sided boards, what they do is they'll dampen like a cloth, like a, you know, like a rag, like, you know, a tea towel or something like that, and just leave it underneath so it doesn't move around. So I just wanted to say that, but let's try. Okay, let's try this one. Oh my gosh, again, it's like butter. Look at that. This is so amazing. I can hardly wait to do my next roast beef and use this to carve. But let's even try. No, you know what? Let's use this big mahulia. Oh, yeah, just straight through. Yeah, even in the rocking motion, it's nice. I think these are going to be my favorites. And again, guys, stay saucy. Cheers.